Hi, my name's CJ.
Hi, my name's Madison.
And welcome to Maxwell Farm. Good morning. Here we are. It's a little bit of a different video today. I'm gonna bring y'all along to work with me. We're out here at the Gainesville Airport, currently paving the first lift for another company. So I have all my UTS systems set up. Oh yeah. So take some pictures and little video clips and show y'all some of what I do for my actual work. And yes, it is cold this morning. It's not necessarily cold, but the wind is blowing here and there, and the wind chill is pretty dang cold. Cold on my face. So if y'all would keep watching and follow along. Come join me.
A few moments later.
Here we are, getting some paving done. Got the UTS system. Tells us if we're on grade or not. Got quite a bit more to pave, so check in after lunch.
1 hour later.
Here we are at Gainesville Airport. As you can see, getting some paving done. Right now we're in between trucks, and I'm coming with Justin. This is asphalt foreman here at our job. And Justin, how long you been doing asphalt?
About 21 years.
21 years.
I started when I was young.
What got you into asphalt?
My grandpa.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was a foreman at Hip Construction in Rossville for about 30 years, and then I started when I was about 15.
Heck yeah. That was back when they allowed us to work underage, ain't it?
Yeah, exactly. And I didn't have to have this.
Yeah, gotta have this. What would you say your 3 things that you like about asphalt? 3 things you like and 3 things you don't like.
I like a challenge. It's a challenging job, and I like training. I like training new people. It's good. I like to watch people gain and get new things under their belt. And logistics, like make sure I have enough trucks rolling at the right time, things getting done at the right time. It's fun. It's coordination.
Oh yeah.
Dislikes, some of the people that you got to deal with.
Oh yeah.
That's just part of it. I don't mind the heat. Some people say it's a disadvantage, but I'd rather it be hotter out. My joints look better. My work looks better. I don't like airports, and here we are.
Airport, yeah. There's a lot of rules, a lot of specs that you got to follow, and they don't play around.
And the mix is horrible, but yeah. Anyways.
Well, we got a truck coming back here, and just wanted to take a quick interview real quick and let y'all know how it's going. And thank you, Justin, for joining the channel, and y'all stay tuned. All right, I've made it home for the day. We got the first lift paved. Thank y'all for coming along, seeing what I do for work. That's part of what I do. My main thing is dirt work and getting the lime rock, getting the surface ready to be paved. But you got to do what you got to do. Help the people out. You're one team, one company. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Remember to like, share, and comment. Have a good one.